Finding a dropshipper. The most important element of the entire process is choosing the right dropshipper, and it can be incredibly difficult. You may have to contact dozens of companies to find just the right one. Worldwide Brands is one of the largest directories of dropshippers and wholesalers, but it's a bit pricey. They do some preliminary quality checks before including sources, though, so they can be worth it. However, if you're using Shopify and Oberlo, you'll be using a very inexpensive dropshipper called AliExpress. AliExpress came from the Alibaba site, which has been the largest site for finding dropshippers and wholesalers for a long time. AliExpress is great for dropshippers because there are no minimum orders. Products are usually priced at or near wholesale prices, and you don't have to provide a bunch of documents like tax IDs or business licenses as you do with many traditional dropshippers and wholesale companies. One thing to keep in mind is that most products from AliExpress will be shipped from China, so it may take several weeks for customers to receive their orders. If you use them, be sure you let customers know how long shipping is likely to take before they order. Make it very clear. But there is one big benefit to using AliExpress, and that is that you can choose products that have free shipping, which means you won't have to charge shipping to your buyers. This will help soften the blow.